Hey guys, Alyssa here. If you're tuning into this video, you've most likely heard about meditation and are probably curious to learn more. In a nutshell, meditation is a practice to train the brain to focus and cultivate mindful clarity. Meditation is practiced worldwide and has ancient roots in various Eastern cultures, which can be seen in the hundreds, if not thousands, of different mindfulness techniques available. In this video, I will provide evidence of these ancient techniques and why they're relevant to our modern lives, the physical effects of meditation practice on the brain, and share why this unique practice is undeniably crucial to include in our daily lives. So I have real-time proof that at least 426,415 people have meditated today, and at least 8,285 people are meditating right now. And that's just based off the free app that I have that connects people all over the world through a mindfulness practice. According to an extensive study conducted by the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health in 2012, the number of adults who meditated in the United States was 18 million. This represents around 8% of the entire US population. And with growing popularity, it's safe to assume that number has grown up since then. People do meditation for various purposes. Centuries ago, people would only do it for spiritual matters, to connect to themselves, to master the mind or connect to something higher. With meditation becoming known in the West, we're finding that the mental and emotional benefits of practice are useful in basically any area of life, from career and personal development to athletic performance and healthcare, family relationships, and even entrepreneurial ventures. The common thread being practice of non-judgmental focus on the present. But what is happening in the brain during meditation that causes such a huge shift in perception? The key is in the gray matter. According to Deepak Chopra, PhD, beginning in the 1970s, studies showed that something was happening in the brain during meditation. And in the last decade, the research has begun to show that meditation can also produce long-term structural changes in the brain. No longer is the hardwiring of neural circuits so dominant. Studies have shown that the brain can alter its wiring in soft ways, thanks to a trait known as neuroplasticity, which allows new pathways and even new brain cells to appear. During meditation, activity in the parietal lobe slows down, the gatekeeper of the senses, so to speak. The part of the brain that focuses your attention by funneling some sensory data deeper into the brain and stopping other unnecessary signals in their tracks. Meditation reduces the flow of incoming information to a trickle. So without this extra stimulation, your brain is able to produce more brain cells and provide and build new pathways. A team led by Harvard-affiliated researchers at Massachusetts General Hospital reported these results: that measurable changes in brain regions associated with memory, sense of self, empathy, and stress start to appear in subjects who practice mindfulness meditation for only 8 weeks. Now, we all know we're busy. That is one of the most common responses we give when we're asked how we're doing, right? There's an expectation in our society that if we're not doing something all the time, then we're being lazy. But the caveat along with this societal expectation comes personal detriment. We are working ourselves sick and to death. The rates of anxiety, depression, heart attacks, obesity, addiction, insomnia, and a myriad of other mental and physical illnesses are ever increasing. But what can we do? We can start at the root, change our personal habits, and hopefully our example can spark a change in others.